Welcome to the CRS Arati on this wonderful day of Vijayadashmi. The 9 days of Navaratri, all of you would have invoked Mother Durga, Mother Lakshmi and Mother Saraswati. Ratri means Rati, which means protect. So the 9 days we have prayed for the protection of Mother Durga, of Mother Lakshmi and Mother Saraswati. One who is protected in their lives for these 9 days, one who has invoked the power of these Devis in their lives for these 9 days, they will come to the 10th day of victory, which is Vijaya Dashami. Today is also called Vidyarambha, the day when we start our studies. In the sense, we go to our Guru, pay obeisance to them, and we learn something new. I'm sure you too would have done that, would have gone to your parents or one of your teachers and learned something new today. So today, we are happy to join all of you in this Vijayadashami Arati. Over to Ramesh sir for the invocation. Hari Om.
सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणी निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्।
As always, we have been missing you for all these festivals. We all know that in CRS, we organize the beautiful Kolu in different steps. So what if we have missed being in CIRS? We are bringing the Kolu right to all of you in this Arati. Sanathanji will be taking us on a ride through the beautiful Kolu that we have set up on this year's Navaratri. What each of the steps signify, what the different dolls and the idols of gods signify, let us listen to Sanatan Ji and enjoy this drive through the Kolu. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Wish you all a very happy Navaratri. All over the world we are celebrating this festival. in India, I'm sure each and every one of you is celebrating this beautifully in your own homes and most importantly in your own hearts. If you see here in the center of the Kolu, the three Devis are kept. So we have Ma Durga, Ma Lakshmi and Ma Saraswati. So around the Devi, our entire life is arranged. This is the beauty of this entire Kolu, where every aspect of society is seen, but we are made to remember again and again for 9 days that all our lives revolve around that one motherly presence, that pure power of nature, Shakti, which guides this entire universe. In the first day of Navaratri, Mother Durga is invoked in the Kalasha using divine mantras. Following that, for 9 days, we regularly offer worship to the altar and Durga, Mother Durga, who is present symbolically in the Kalash. Like every other festival, even during Navaratri, every day we worship Bhagwan Ganesha as a remover of obstacles. Along with him, on the altar, we have these 4 dolls which are made of red sandalwood or red cottonwood. They are called Marapachi Bommai, which represent the king and the queen as leaders of society. Some Navaratri Kolus have only 3 steps, like the one in front of us, and some Kolus have 5 steps, 7 steps, and some places we have 9 steps for 9 days of Navaratri. Based on the number of steps, the dolls are arranged. The first step of our Kolu, we have devotees being portrayed. We have Bhagwan Krishna and Kaliya, we have Mirabai and a great devotee of the Lord, Ramanujacharya. Then we have this Kevat who took Bhagwan Ramji, Sitaji and Lakshmanji across the river. Following all this, we have lot of day-to-day activities like a marriage happening, children playing, and we have a wrestling ring also where there is a contest happening there. Schools and traditional gurukuls are also portrayed in this first step of the Kolu. Following this, we have again Mirabai's images there, and we have Swami Vivekanandji, one of the great saints of India. Then all these animals signifying that nature was as much part of our society as anything else. And now we have a band there and aeroplanes and bullock carts. All these things which we see on our day-to-day lives in villages and cities are portrayed here. Now this step, we have Bhagwan Krishna's Leela, from him stealing butter to him dancing with gopis, Hanumanji bringing the Sanjeevani hill to save Lakshmanji during the battle. Now do you see these Ganeshas? Every year we add a new idol doll to the festival, and this time it is these cute Ganeshas. Following this, we have the Samudra Mathan, the churning of the Milky Ocean. Narasimha Avatar is portrayed here, and idol of the Kamadhenu, the wish-fulfilling cow, is kept here. Now following the other step, now we have more dolls representing various divinities, forms of the Lord which are worshipped in our culture, and various stories are portrayed here, which is very dear to the people. The story of Kannappa Nayana, who gave his own eye to Bhagwan Shiva, and the cow, which is again a divine presence in our culture, is portrayed there. This year we have the Dasha Avatarams, the 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu. Behind him is Dakshinamurti, the silent teacher, sitting under the tree and giving knowledge to his disciples. Just next to Dakshinamurti we have Lord Krishna's avatar, Bhagwan Vittala. Following this, we have 2 of the greatest devotees we've ever seen, Krishna with his friend Sudama and Hanuman with Ramji. Then we also have the Trinity of Gods, Bhagwan Shiva, Vishnu and Lord Brahma, who are represented here in this part of the stairs. Then we have the different aspects of Devi, Andal, Annapurneshwari and Kamachi Amman, who are very famous and worshipped in the entire part of southern India. Following this, we have the Navadurgas, the 9 forms of Durga, who is celebrated during the Navaratri, from Shailaputri to Siddhidatri, who are depicted here. Behind her is a statue or idol of Mariamman, who is another famous deity in the villages of India. With this, we conclude this entire Kolu, and we wish you all a very happy Navaratri once again, and invoke the blessings of Devi in our hearts and in our lives ahead. Thank you. Hari Om.
Thank you, Sanathanji, for taking us through this beautiful kolu and explaining to us what each of these beautiful idols represent. Our CIRS teachers, our staff have set up this kolu so beautifully, and thanks to them, we get to enjoy this every year. And now we start with the Archana of Mother Durga on this Vijayadashmi day. We request Shanti ma'am to offer the Archana as Ramesh sir and Sujata ma'am chant the Archana for us. Hari Om.
ॐ उमायै नमः।
ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः।
ॐ श्री शिवायै नमः।
ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः।
ॐ अम्बिकायै नमः।
ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः।
ॐ पद्मनाभसहोदर्यै नमः।
ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः।
ॐ विश्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः।
ॐ त्रिलोकपालिन्यै नमः।
ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः।
ॐ सत्यायै नमः।
ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः।
ॐ ज्वालिन्यै नमः।
ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः। ॐ श्री दुर्गायै नमः। अर्चनान् समर्पयामि।
The festival is of the mother. How can we miss out on singing the Matrastavanam? Composed by Puja Guruji, Swami Tejomayanandji, and sung by all of us throughout the year, every Friday. This beautiful chant with deep meaning of offering our prayers to our own mother, and of course, on this occasion, to the Divine Mother, Mother Durga, Mother Lakshmi, and Mother Saraswati. We invoke her blessings in our lives to protect us, to nourish us, and take us to the fulfillment of our life's goal. May the Mother bless us.
मातुराशिषा वन्दिता भुवि सन्ति हि नरो नन्दिता दिवि धारितोऽस्म्यहं सोदरे त्वया पालितोऽस्म्यहं स्वस्तने त्वया शिशुरहं सदा केलिनं पटः न श्रुतं मया ते तदा वच शिक्षणे मम न च कदा रुचि सा त्वया कृता वर्धितामपि बालवर्तनं कष्टदायकं मन्यसे तुत हर्षकारणं रोगपीडितो यत्कदाप्यहं सेवसे तदा मामहर्निशं विस्मराम्यहं ते कथं कृतं मत्कृते सदा प्रेमसंयुतं पश्यसि गुणं सर्वदा मम अवगुणं तु मे नेक्षसे कथम् यमुदारता त्वयि च वर्तते नेतरत्र सा जगति दृश्यते दुर्लभा नहि बान्धवा भुवि जननि दुर्लभा त्वत्समाये मातृदेवो भवश्रुतिश्चत भवित्यादरा भावयेभ्यहं मातरि नरो देव तवतोपितं सहि निरीक्षते अथमयार्चनं वन्दनं कृतं तव च कीर्तनं पादसेवनं जननि तेऽप्यहं सर्वदारिणी भक्तिरस्तु मे निश्चला त्वयि अम्ब त्वामहं प्रणतवान् सदा आशिषश्च त्वं देहि मे मुदा अम्ब त्वामहं प्रणतवान् सदा आशिषश्च त्वं देहि मे मुदा आशिषश्च त्वं देहि मे मुदा आशिषश्च त्वं देहि मे मुदा। बोलिए श्री दुर्गा मैया की जय।
Now, we have something special which we have heard only on the day of Vijayadashami. Some of you may remember Ramesa singing a beautiful Aarti of Mother Durga in Marathi language. We used to have a few students dressed as Sri Rama, Lakshmanji and Hanumanji coming and performing Aarti of Mother Durga as their preparation to go and fight Ravana and kill him. We request Shanti ma'am to perform the Aarti as Ramesa sings this beautiful Durge Durgat Harini Aarti. Hari Om.
दुर्गे दुर्गट भारी तुझविण संसारी अनाथ नाथे अंबे करुणा विस्तारी वारी वारी जन्म मरण थे वारी हारी पडलो आता संकट निवारी जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी सुरवर ईश्वर वरदे तारक संजीविनी जय देवी जय देवी तुझविण भुवनी पाता तुझे ऐसे नाही चारु शमले परंतु ना बोलवे काही साही विवाद करिता पडिलो प्रवाही ते तू भक्ता लागे ते तू दासा लागे पावस लवलाही जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी सुरवर ईश्वर वरदे तारक संजीविनी
जय देवी जय देवी
प्रसन्न वदने प्रसन्न होशी निज दासा क्लेशा पासून तोडी होई भूपाशा अंबे तुझ वाचून कोणपुरवी आशा नरतर तल्लीन झाला पद पंकजलेशा जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी महिषासुरमर्दिनी सुरवर ईश्वर वरदे तारक संजीवनी जय देवी
जय देवी जय देवी जय
ओम न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चंद्र तारकम नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं निभाति। बोलिए श्री दुर्गा मैया की जय। माता रानी तेरी जय जयकार, अम्बे रानी तेरी जय जयकार, माता रानी तेरी जय जयकार, अम्बे रानी तेरी जय जयकार। ओ माता रानी तेरी जय जयकार, अम्बे रानी तेरी जय जयकार। ओ माता रानी तेरी जय जयकार, अम्बे रानी तेरी जय जयकार।
माँ शेरावाले, माँ जोधावाले, माँ हारावाले, माँ राधावाले, माँ शेरावाले, माँ जोधावाले, माँ हारावाले, माँ राधावाले। प्रेम से बोलो
जय माता दी,
प्यार से बोलो
जय माता दी,
भाव से बोलो
जय माता दी,
सब मिल बोलो
जय माता दी,
जय माता दी जय माता दी जय माता दी
जय माता दी, जय माता दी, जय माता दी। माता रानी जय जयकार, अम्बे रानी जय जयकार, माता रानी जय जयकार, अम्बे रानी जय जयकार,
माता रानी तेरी जय जयकार, अम्बे रानी तेरी जय जयकार, माता रानी तेरी जय जयकार, अम्बे रानी तेरी जय जयकार। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ काली माँ, जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ काली माँ, जय जय माँ जय जय माँ जय जय माँ काली माँ, जय जय माँ जय जय माँ जय जय माँ काली माँ, जय जय माँ काली माँ, जय जय माँ काली माँ।
बोलिए श्री दुर्गा मैया की।
जय।
Dance makes the festival joyous. Dance makes festivals full of happiness. Dance brings so much life to all our festivals. Here we have some of our alumni students bringing to us a beautiful dance on Mother Durga, praising her greatness. So let us watch this beautiful invocation of Mother Durga's blessings through dance.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्ग निजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधु कैटभगञ्जिनि कैटभभञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Thank you so much for the beautiful invocation dance of the divine blessings. We invoke Mother's blessings on all of you who have made this dance possible. Now we conclude this Aarti with the Aarti of Puja Gurudev. We request Sanatan Ji and Rajeshwari Didi to perform Gurudev's Aarti.
ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की। आरती सद्गुरु की चरणों में उनके शांति समाए। शरण मिटाए पाप ताप संताप हरण की। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। वेद उपनिषद गीता को गाया, धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया। शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। सिद्ध बाड़ी की तपोभूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे। भक्त हृदय आनंद श्रोत की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की। आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की, आरती सद्गुरु की। बोलिए श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।
Thank you for joining us on this Aarati of Mother Durga on the Vijayadashami. May this year bring to us all kinds of victory, of health, of great values and virtues, and of wealth that we can enjoy and we can share with all of us. The next festival that's coming up is Diwali, the festival of not just lights, but the festival of lighting up others' life through sharing. So this wealth that we have earned as blessings, now let us share as our wealth to all the people in needy for Diwali. We wish you a very happy Diwali in advance as well. Now we conclude with the Shanti part, before which we will spend just half a minute in prayer for everyone. And then I request Ramesh sir to sing the Shanti mantra and we conclude the Aarati. Thank you very much for joining all of us. Hari Om.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते मुच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ बोलो राधे 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 राधे
राधे
बोलिए श्री दुर्गा मैया की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।